Hello everyone, this is your Freedom Trader Collins FT. So today again, as usual, we're gonna practice. So far, I think you guys must have learned that practicing one strategy for 1 year, 2 years, it's gonna pay off. It's far better than even being in a medical school, because forex, when it's profitable, it pays far better than a medical certificate or whatever. So um, this is just my game. This is just my end goal is for us to practice and consistently practice. If you follow me on, we'll end up with a good and powerful strategy that will be able to be profitable and consistently profitable. So for me, it's not like I'm not profitable yet. I'm already stable. I'm already profitable. I'm not the big guys out there, but as a freedom trader, I want to lead this movement of killing poverty. I want us to do it the right way, not doing it by scamming, not doing it by stealing, being out there. We have brains, we are creative, and this is an opportunity for us. This is the biggest market in the world, so we can make money out of it. If Qbanks is making money out of it, is Omar Sharif is making money out of it, is if King Sean Lee is making money out of it, if Swagisi is making money out of it, then we too we can make money out of it, guys. And this is just, as I think, the best way we can do it is by practicing, and this is far better than paying their courses. Trust me, guys, because even if you pay the courses, you're still gonna be there, and you're still gonna practice the charts. It's not like they will be there and telling you, hey, buy now, and then you just go and you buy and you make money. It never works like that. You have to understand the charts, you have to understand everything, and to understand, it's by practicing and practicing. My strategy is the most dynamic ever. There is nothing I'll tell you that if this is like this, it's by if by 9:30 p.m. It's like this, then it's gonna happen like this. Now I've tried all of those stuff, guys. They do work for some time, but the market is dynamic as well. It changes. Though one thing remains: price action, market structure, the candlesticks. They will never lie to you. They might it might happen that there is an event. Why they don't lie is because since 1972 they have been the same, and it's still the same thing till today. So guys, we still gonna practice and make money of this. So what I'm doing now, as usual, is looking at the market structure and understanding price action as well. If we have to follow the market structure here, there is one thing with this structure: when you find it anywhere, this M structure, guys, you might call it harmonica, you might give it whatever name you want to give. For me, it's an M structure. Very simple. I don't complicate. I don't make things hard for my brain. I make things as easy as possible for my brain, and I've been making money like that. So uh guys, this is it. When it's always like this, what happens is price breaks this neckline. This is a neckline. It breaks, comes down, goes back and retests the neckline, then comes back. When it comes back and breaks here, it goes right down, guys. It goes right down, as you can see. Then if it breaks the neckline from here, it goes up here. Also, what happens here, if it breaks this area, it goes right up also, right up. So this is just something from experience, and it's always been working out. It will reach here, guys. If it breaks here, it's gonna reach at that area. So but this is what we've done already. We already have this in mind. So what is the next thing? The next thing is we scale in, we look at price action. What is price doing? And for us to rate that, we look at the candlesticks. We already set our levels, demand and supply. Okay, so this is our target now, is here. But before we reach here, we have to buy above here. We cannot buy here. We can only buy here if price presents a very beautiful confirmation symbol or confirmation candle. Then we can buy. If not, no, we're not buying. Same thing here. We can only sell here, or if we have to sell inside, if price has given us something like this. This is the only reason why we can sell. But selling also is risky here, but we can put a small just a small lot size to make sure we don't miss if the opportunity presents itself. But our take profit remains here, guys, though it's just few pips. It's just like 60 60 64 pips. Yeah, but that is still a good one. So it's not because we have these chances here that we're gonna skip this take profit area, the support, because we'll take profit at support, that we just gonna be greedy and wanna come right down. See, I don't even find it, because that is how it is. When you see that structure, you mean the market is about to make a big move. So as you can see, guys, this is where the last support is, which is very, it's a lot of pips. It's a lot of pips. Let's see. It's a lot of pips, guys, as you can see. So no issue about that. We are still ready to get the pips. Okay, so this is, you always have to do this, guys. You don't have to, you are not watching this video to entertain yourself, as I say all the time. You are watching this video because whatever I'm saying here is what I apply every day, and I do make money, guys, and I do make money, and I want to share with you. I know I want to reach further. That's why I will be here every day. And even whosoever profitable trader, guys, those guys, they work harder than us. Yeah, they work harder than us, still wanting to be in that big level. But now if I can pay off my bills of trading in Dubai, then I'm already good. But I still have to be there, man. Still have to be there. So here right now, we've set up everything. I just want to leave this candle so that you can know. I wanted to show you, this is my profile. See, this is this is how much I paid myself. I paid myself today. That was May 9. Yeah, so it's not a joke, guys. It's not a joke. So now let's see. As I said, we first take profit here before we think of anything going down there. But if it doesn't happen, if it goes up, we can still put our long here. We follow the same scenario. Here there is gonna be a lot of small take profit. There is one here and the rest right up here. So you come to the market with an open mind. The market might go up or it might come down, and it's as simple as that. That's why there are buy stops out there. MT4, you buy, you put your buy stop, and that's it. Yeah, and that's it. You put your buy stop and you wait. So we did put our buy stop and our sell stop, and we are waiting. It's not a good idea, guys, but to put buy stop and sell stop at the same time. It's a very bad idea. But trust me, on this one, uh, it's a good it's a good idea, by the way. It's a good idea because our take profits are small. We just want to take profit here. We take the first one here, then we observe what the market's gonna do next. So let's go. Okay, triggered, as I told you guys, where you put, where the last price ends, you give it 10 pips so that you don't get, you don't get triggered just maybe within 5 pips, and then market goes against you and kind of knock you out. You have to give space for the market to breathe. So this was kind of an example here. So let's just say we got triggered, and let's see if we're gonna get knocked out. Okay, see, that's the point, guys. As you can see, price didn't go up. Since it triggered here, it respected. It didn't just go back up immediately and started going up. As you can see, it's kind of coming down now in profit because it triggered already on our sell. And okay, so this is a very clean one, guys. That's what I was saying. So we got kicked out here. It triggered here, actually. We have to be honest, we triggered, but we didn't hit our take profit. Price went back against us, triggered the buy stop and hit take profit on the buy stop. So we have lost but recovered just a portion of our loss. And what we do is we just have to stay like that, take and observe if price is going to continue to do that, or I mean if price is going to continue to go up, or that's it. But remember, we are out already, on both sides. On our buy stop we are out already, and in a little bit of profit to cover our loss from the sell signal. That's why I told you from the beginning, it's a very bad idea to put a buy and a sell signal. But at the end of the day, since we did put the buy, I mean the sell signal, we just put this one to hedge. So we did hedge and we recovered a bit of profit to cover our loss. But that's not where it ends. That is actually a good signal that price is going to continue to go up. So we can either hold, or we got out and then we re-enter. So if we did hold, then we are in profit, but not guaranteed, guys. Not a guaranteed one. Yeah, as I said, it's actually not guaranteed. Yeah. So we haven't got a sell, I mean we haven't entered any position yet. We got out here no matter what price is doing here, trying to go up, whatever. I haven't seen any signal to either sell or to buy. As I said, buying in the best scenario is here. Buying in the best scenario is at this, it's here, and selling is here. So what I did here, it was risky. I told you it was risky. I was not supposed to trade inside here, but we did, and we learned our lesson. That's just a reminder. We know already, but it's just a reminder that hey, you have to be principled. You have to follow your own strategy and discipline. So still looking for either a buy or a sell signal. Haven't found one. Okay, I got one already. This is a buy signal. So guys, this is now a buy signal. We gotta remove this one. Remember, we lost our first trade. We recovered just a bit, so we are still in loss. And right now this one is irrelevant. This one now is relevant. And where are we going to? We are targeting now here and maybe beyond, right up here. So this is our third trade. This is actually our third trade. It should have actually been the second trade, but it's still good on our side. This is why do I always cross? Because there are some days the market will go really crazy and just it will hit your take profit and still continue to go. And if you had put your take profit here, you find yourself losing in 10 pips. It happened to me last week. I did put my take profit, the market hit and crossed and went like 70 pips. If I didn't put my take profit, it would have gone. But always put your take profit because it might hit, then come back. So this is it, guys. This is our second position. So our target is here. If we hit here, then we'll recover from the loss here, and that will be a profitable week if we're trading 4 hours, because this is just the daily. It can apply to even the 1 minute, the 1 hour, the 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours, whatever you have it applies to all of them. So if you are the guy that sits at home and only wants to trade at home, then you can do this with the smaller time frame and continuously trade. So guys, this it didn't trigger, but it went at the opposite direction, as I said. So we haven't lost anything, we're still observing, and it's a good thing, guys. It's a good thing. This is why trading is not easy. It doesn't always go to your direction, so you try to be careful by having a strategy like this one I'm putting out here and practicing it like all the time. So now it presents a sell position, which kind of makes sense. Let's see. So what happened here, guys? The market went against us, but we didn't lose anything because of our discipline. Because we couldn't find this, and then we just jump inside. We say like, hey, the market is going up, it must go up. Then no, it doesn't work like that. So again, we have another position, a sell position. Let's see. Okay, it's still, which is a good one, because already the market is below I mean, it's trading already below the moving average. So we are in profit, guys. We are in profit, and we can actually get out here and we'll recover from the loss from our first trade, which if we were not stubborn, which if I was not stubborn, this would have been actually my first trade. Yeah, because the law, I mean, one of the policies of the strategy is you don't trade inside here unless you find a very beautiful setup, which I actually found. And you see how it did respect, it didn't trigger, it just went opposite and gave us a sell signal, which we followed, which is exactly the same as the buy signal. We followed it, it did trigger, and it went to our direction. So this is how we do it, guys. As I said, you can go out here, it must not reach here. Already here, you're already in profit. You've recovered from your loss, good in profit here, and we are good, guys. So whatever the market is doing now, you just observe and you wait until the market either reaches here or comes back here and does whatever it wants to do, gives you another signal or not. But we are already good here. This was already a profitable a trade. I should have made it very clean by bringing our stop loss down here, so that we have this all in profit, because when it happens, when it breaks above here, it always goes right up there. So guys, this was to make it short. We don't want to make a very long video. This was another one, and I hope you understood everything, and everything that happened here, it just tells you I'm not the guy that do practice before I come back and create a video for the content sake. No, this is how I practice every single day, and this is how I do it. Even trading, it's exactly how I do trade. If I had lost the money here, I know I will still recover back here, and it's exactly what happened. So thank you guys, and see you again tomorrow for another video.